Here we have our small Christmas ornaments. This is a bear. We have polar bears as well. These are made out of maple. Then we have the grizzly bear. There's a nice piece of twine there, so you can hang it from your Christmas tree. We did a couple of these smaller bears out of some walnut. Pretty neat. Here's another one. As you can see, the grain on these is all a little different. So, this is a nice piece of maple. Then we move over to this. We have a lighter piece. So, these are all 1/4 inch thick. They have a hole right here for the string. You can hang these from your Christmas tree. You can hang them on a wine bottle, give to your friend for a Christmas present. We're just going to go through some of these. These are all available on my Etsy store, TikTok shop, and Shopify. So, get yours today. They're all a little different. As you can see, the grain goes this way, and each side looks a little different. And some are darker. This one's got different grain going to it. We did, I think, 1 or 2 of these out of Red Heart. These are unique. We won't be making too many of these, but they're pretty cool. This one I have to fix. The finish isn't that great. These are neat. This is early in my career of making these. There's another bear. We made a lot of bears. A grizzly bear. These are all $5 a piece. Like I said, available on my Etsy store, Shopify, TikTok shop. Check them out.